You ever wished your woodworking skills could pay the bills? Well, buckle up, because this next project it's about turn your hobby into a cash machine. Yeah, it's you. The beauty of this project is a win-win. You can sell it outright for $90 profit or rent it for $30 a day, and increasing a recurring income stream. Think about it. With over 2.5 million weddings happening in US every year, this is a huge potential. Here we are talking transforming $20 worth of materials into a piece that could net you a whopping $1,000. Intrigued? Stay tuned, because in this video we will reveal a simple build that is perfect for both selling and renting. In the past videos I told you to do marquee letters, but today I show this item because I believe that everyone wants this in their wedding this summer. Next, I will make some amazing calculations for you. Where else you can imagine spend $20 and make $1,000? This is possible with this piece. You just need to rent this piece for $30 for 33 events and you've got it. If you are liking this video so far, please leave a like. It helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and normally people see the video but don't like it. I don't know if I'm doing a good job or not, but if you can help me with that, just leave a comment and say I'm a poor woodworker and I will be fine, I guess. So you pay attention to these projects and build one yourself. You don't have to buy a table saw if you don't have So pay attention to this project and build one yourself. If you don't have a table saw, you just need to buy a 38mm by 38mm construction pine wood instead, and the rest is a pen, a jigsaw or a miter and a couple screws and glue. So good luck to you and God bless you.